Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry step by step. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core concepts. Focus on mastering basic principles like bonding, molecular structure, and functional groups. Reviewing general chemistry topics, especially acid-base chemistry and thermodynamics, is crucial. This initial step ensures you have the necessary building blocks for more complex material. Next, dive deep into reaction mechanisms. Instead of rote memorization, strive to understand the electron flow and reasoning behind each step. Drawing mechanisms by hand multiple times helps solidify your comprehension. Consistent practice with a wide variety of problems is essential to apply your knowledge and identify common reaction patterns effectively. To enhance your learning, utilize diverse resources. Textbooks provide detailed explanations, while online platforms offer supplementary videos and practice. Molecular models are invaluable for visualizing three-dimensional structures. Actively solving problems, rather than passively reading, reinforces concepts. Collaborating in study groups allows you to discuss difficult topics and gain new perspectives. Finally, consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit older material to keep it fresh in your mind. Develop systematic strategies for tackling multi-step synthesis problems, breaking them down into smaller, manageable parts. Learning from your mistakes and understanding why an answer was incorrect is a powerful way to improve your problem-solving skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.